kind of like brace, like it just went into the future and the light's off, and then we cut. And then we move this light on Doc and Marty out of the way, then we just get a shot of the Kia zooming right past. And then for the vehicle returning, we did a couple shots of Peter pushing me out of the way, as well as the light flickering on us to broadcast the explosive lightning of the vehicle returning from the past. And then we had David in the vehicle driving past a couple times, and then I did a couple shots of it panning.
Now, like Mitchell said, what started as wanting to recreate a quick scene for fun turned into a 5-minute short film that took us a whopping 7.5 hours to film. We did not get home until well after midnight.
Yeah, it was great. And no breaks either. We always went straight through.
That means freezing hands. I didn't have this, thankfully, during the production, but freezing hands while filming for 7 to 7.5 hours.
On cold metal.
Super cold. Also, every piece of equipment we had this wet dew, morning dew on it from all of the moisture because the humidity level was nearly 90% that night as well.
So with the filming done, I had to edit the whole
There are 6 visual effect shots we did for this video, the first of which is the time machine going into the future. So as it's driving towards us, I had to add a bunch of flames on the bottom of the tires there that are 3D tracked to the vehicle. So that's always kind of the first thing, is to 3D track the object that I did in After Effects here. Then added a bunch of lightning glow, different effects that I added to the track of the vehicle. All these elements I got from Production Crate, FYI. And then of course added a giant fireball, made it purple, curved it to the vehicle, so as it's driving, it moves and bends with the vehicle. And the other thing that I did add as well was a reflection on the ground, so adding a little bit of extra light here just helps it blend more with the original footage. So the next shot is the time machine as it drives towards us and disappears into the future. So what we did is I had this shot of us just standing and our reaction shot of the vehicle as it was about to hit us. Then I masked out the vehicle from the other shot as it's driving by us and had it disappear right as it's about to hit us. Then what I did was I tracked the vehicle as it's going and its trajectory as it passes us, so I can track the other objects like the lightning and fireball on the vehicle. And then I added back in the same way I did the last one, all the elements, fireball, lightning, and all that onto the vehicle. And then I added an implosion right at the moment as it's about to hit, as just something to